Right, today we're going to replace the transfer in-tank fuel pump on a 2.2 diesel Jaguar XF. Right, the first thing we need to do is remove the seat belt that goes through the squab of the seat, and for that you have a little hole with a red notch in it. Just got a very thin screwdriver, press in, and it releases the belt, so therefore that can come out on through the squab, otherwise that's in the way. Then we undo the seat. There's two clips underneath, one either side. You just press it across and the squab then comes out, and it ties the seat belts through nicely. Each side, then you can take the swab straight out without problem. Okay, the fuel pump is located under here, so we just lift the carpet up now. Move that out of the way. Then we take this rubber grommet out, and that is the fuel pump. Firstly, we remove the electrical plug. Like so. Tuck that out of the way. Remove the two pipes by pressing the clips in and pulling out. Oops. Get rid of diesel overflow from these. Same with this one. They are both out. Right, now we've got to remove this sealing ring that holds the pump in. So get a screwdriver or a lever and tap. That's the ring off. Like so. And the pump, the top of the pump actually lifts off. Just to be clear, you've got a connection inside the tank which fits onto that pipe there. There's a pipe fits onto there, and you take it off and then you put it back on. When this is situated back in the tank, you can feel down and push the pipe on here. That's the only pipe that fits on inside the tank. These other two are outside the tank, so remember to put that one on. Take it off and put it on. And you have a wire inside that needs to be pulled apart, and put your hand in, which will get it covered in diesel now. Turn the pump anti-clockwise, twist it anti-clockwise, and out it comes. Set the diesel back in the tank. That's it. That's your tank out. That's your pump out. Transfer pump out. Now, generally, the actual pump is very small. It's here. That's your actual pump, which is like a normal in-tank transfer pump. The rest of this, you don't have to replace if you're just replacing the pump, but the float, they also play up, which can show you half a tank of fuel, and you can run out of fuel even though your tank's got half a tank in it. So it's, I suppose, better to change it all if you're worried about showing half a tank of fuel. So what we do with the replacement pump is to double check that it's the same. Which it is. Okay, we'll take this wire off. Right, now it's basically ready to go back in. When you're putting it back in, you turn it clockwise. Remember, you've got your feed pipe from the other side of the tank to press on. That clicks on into place. Twist the pump clockwise. You rejoin these wires like so. Put the top in, back in. Which fits in like that. Put your sealing ring back on. Tap it round. Then you put these two pipes back in. This one. That's two. And then your plug goes on top. That's it. That is the job done. Now it's just a case of putting the seat back in, the carpet, the seat, and the seat belt. Put the rubber grommet back in. Like so. Then we've got to put the carpet back in, bring the seat belts over the top of it. Where it should go. Snap that out. Right, carpet in. Bring it back in. I'll do the other side. So, that's that one. Seat goes back in, clips in, like so.